Hey PJs, welcome back to another short video. Today I'm going to be showing 3 slimes to you guys, but they are going to be black and white as you can see here. And basically what you're going to be doing is doing your best to try and guess what color these slimes are. You are more than welcome to go back and look through any of my videos for help. I don't count it as cheating. It's really just doing your research. And you will get 2 points instead of 1 if you can more accurately guess the color. So instead of just saying like brown, if you say light or dark and that's correct, you will get 2 points. And of course, let me know at the end how many points you got. Starting off with slime number 1, this is Island of Motonui from Rotom Slimes. If you guessed green, you get 1 point, and if you guessed a light green, a seafoam green, or even a blue green, I will give you 2 points. Slime number 2 is Melted Sweet Tart Sorbet from the Seal Slime Emporium. If you guessed pink, you get 1 point, and if you guessed light pink, you get 2 points. The third and final slime is Laundry Day from Smash Creations. If you guessed blue, then you get 1 point, and if you guessed light blue or even sky blue, you get 2 points. And with that, that is the end of this short video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know out of a total of 6 points how many points you got in total, and even if you got some of them wrong, let me know what colors you guessed for each slime. Now I am signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one.